What's up guys, Said Muzamil here, and in this video we are just going to talk about the Xiaomi Foldable smartphone. Foldable smartphones are becoming future of smartphones. The foldable phone era is about to start. Well, we would like to think it has begun ever since Flex Pi was announced by Royal as the first ever foldable phone, ready for commercial release last year. We noticed how the foldable category just got real. Samsung has been working on the foldable display technology but hasn't really been successful. Xiaomi truly is working on a foldable phone. Company president and co-founder Lin Bin has confirmed in a teaser he posted on Weibo. In the video, you will see the executive using a tablet-sized gadget until he folds its sides and uses it like you would use any other phone. Its UI automatically resizes itself to occupy just the middle part of the screen, so you won't have to flip the display or device to look at the folded parts of the display. To make it an authentically phone-like as possible, the company put a power button at the top center of the device when it is held in a landscape mode. And that way the button will start be easily accessible when it is used as a phone. Bin wrote in the post that the form factor, which perfectly merges the experience of a phone and a tablet, is the result of the company's work on foldable smartphones or foldable display, folding hinges and other technically challenge. He also said that it is just a prototype at this point, and that the company will consider producing it if it gets positive feedback from consumers online. Xiaomi has two possible names in mind for the prototype: Mi Dual Flex and Mi Mix Flex, but it is also looking for suggestions. You will likely have to wait a bit before you can buy this device. And this device is looking amazing because this is not folding in middle of the phone. You have to fold the edges. That means you have to fold the two sides of the phone, and the middle part then just works as a regular phone just works. And the power button is at the top middle, and you can use when you are using a phone. And yeah, it is looking great phone, and you will likely have to wait for a bit before you can buy this phone because they are just finding for the positive feedback from the consumers. And yeah, that's been it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.